What's up everybody? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to move your start menu to the left side on Windows 11. So by default, when you install or upgrade to Windows 11, your start menu and all the icons going to be in the middle. So here's what you need to do. Press on start and go to settings. And then in settings, press on personalization. And then right here, scroll down and press on the taskbar. And then in here, press on taskbar behaviors. And then scroll down, and right here you're going to see taskbar alignment, and you can see by default it's set to center. Press on this little caret and then you'll see this menu, and then press on the left and you can see your menu switch to the left. And that's it. You can close the window and it's going to be saved, and next time you restart your computer, your start menu is going to be on the left hand side. And this is it. If this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.